Today, I'm going to show you how to view Android games on itch.io in just a few simple steps. If you're looking for Android titles on itch.io, whether you want to browse free games, indie projects, or mobile-friendly downloads, this quick tutorial will help you find them fast. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and platform tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the itch.io website. Once the homepage loads, look at the top menu and click Browse. This is where itch.io organizes all of its categories, filters, and collections, so it's the best place to start when you want to narrow down what you're looking for. After that, take a look at the menu on the left side of the page. You'll see different filters for things like genre, tags, and platform. Scroll through the platform section and click Android. As soon as you select Android, itch.io will update the results and show you games that are available for Android devices. This is the fastest way to find Android-compatible games without having to search one by one. You can now explore the results, click on any game that looks interesting, and read the description, screenshots, and download details before trying it out. If you don't see exactly what you want right away, you can continue using the other filters on itch.io to refine the list even more. And that's it, you now know how to view Android games on itch.io in just a few clicks. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.